guys, it's Esther and I'll show you how to draw Mojo Jojo. So let's start a circle with for the mouth, and then we're gonna draw a line and then curved lines to create an imaginary line down the middle. Alright, now for the nose, you make two little bumps and then zigzag for the mouth. Create the eyes. Three circles for the head, and then sort of like a two shape for the ear. Alright, now for the cape, draw a triangle, and then it's another triangle for the cape. Alright, now the shoes are pretty pointy. Then let's draw the arms. So the arms, we're gonna make two curves down. Make the glove first, so you have a guideline to where to stop on the arm. Alright, now the cape. Then we draw lines down the little squigglies. Alright, now let's go over with marker. So I'm going to draw the face first. And then the zigzag, I'm going to leave it alone and then go over with a thinner marker. Alright, now the ears, the little circles, the mouth, and the gloves are going to be with the thinner marker. And I'm just adding like the points with to give it more detail. Connecting the lines. And then erase every pencil mark that you have. Now it's coloring time. So the cape is purple, and then his body will be blue. The circles on his head are purple, and his face and his ears are green. Now the rest is black. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and subscribe if you would like to see more content like this one. Thank you.